You got this. Just don't think. Just do it. Just do it.
I don't know.
Fucking kidding.
Parkour.
I follow you.
Oh, there's the golf ball.
Check it out.
This is awesome.
すごいな、ブー。
Don't think. Just do it. Just do it.
Did you watch that YouTube video I sent you?
Which one?
The last one, the one I sent you yesterday or last night.
Last night?
Yeah, it's basically, there's this big YouTube channel I watch. They got 5 million subscribers, and they're telling you the best way on going about starting a YouTube channel, and good advice, you know? So definitely worth a watch if you're interested, you know?
Okay, sorry, what you were talking about?
How to be,
How to be...
build up your YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah, because they have 5 million subscribers, and they always like looking to help small channels and stuff like that. And they gave out some good advice. You know, it's like so definitely worth definitely check that out when you get a chance.
I'm really not like managing about my videos. Just making.
Yeah, and that's the thing. They say do something you're passionate about. Obviously, you know, just keep doing that. And that's why I send it to you, because I think you would like the video.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Of course.
I gotta check it.
Yeah, and even if you don't agree with what they say, you'd be like, I'm still doing it my way, you know? All that matters is that you do something that you love and you're passionate about. That's the key to life, you know? And if you can make a living off that, that's so boss, man.
That's why I'm doing it. Like, so you can do what you want to do.
Yeah, like I would have loved to do YouTube, but I don't like hearing my own voice. So it's like, yeah.
I really don't like that.
I mean, I just like, I can't watch myself.
You're talking in my YouTube.
I'm fine with that, but like my own channel.
Not for your
yeah, like I could do my own channel. He comes charging at me. I was like, holy shit! What? Honey. Okay. I was like, this is a weird place.
I think up there.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So the bull came charging at me, right?
Yeah.
And I turned around and start gunning it towards like the exit. Like I'm like in the middle of the game right now. I'm trying to run to an exit. And I remember when I saw the video, the bull like was this close to me, like right here.
Yeah.
He was trying to stab me, and I arched my back like this, running, not looking back, just kept running. And yeah, the bull, I'm not shitting you on this. The bull sidestepped. And he gave up on me. And I remember everyone's applauding me. And I'm like, I don't care. I'm running. I'm getting out of here. I was like,
so you got escaped.
I escaped. I almost got stabbed by the bull.
How's that bull big?
Dude, massive. Like,
heavy,
you know, steroids, you know. The bull sidesteps, you know. It seriously will fuck you up. Attacked this German tourist that was also in the arena. It destroyed, fucked up his nose. His nose got shifted all the way over here. I'm not fucking kidding. And all the, like, a bunch of people, locals were trying to help him, like, you know, get the bull away from him and stuff. Yeah. It was really, oh dude, this place is sick.
Yes, this place.
Yeah, but that guy got fucked up, dude. And like,
whoa. There is no water before.
Dude, this is awesome. Let's check this place out.
Yeah.
We can go swimming here. We could go surf.